If you're like me and you keep losing your wallet, this is for you. So this is the AirCard Pro. I'll show you in 1 second, but I've got the older AirCard, and as you can see, it comes up there on my Find My. I'm just covering up where I live, and my wallet's at home just now. It should have been with me, which is a bit useless when I'm going to go to the shop, and I can just ping it or get directions. So this is the more updated version. So let's have a look. So something with Rolling Square is their packaging always comes in this kind of brown cardboard that I really appreciate. Nice minimalist design with just the black ink on it. We got this inside here. We got a little setup guide, and in here we have the upgraded card. And on the back there, that's wireless charging. So that's something with the older one would have battery, but this is now wireless charging. On here, you can make a digital ID on the front there. So if someone finds this and they scan that QR code, they can get to, it's almost like it's a little web page where you can pop your details on it. This is thinner, I think, than the regular one, so I'll be swapping my one out. You got a little LED light on the top here. You got an on-off switch on the card as well. And then you can find it with Find My in your phone. If you're an Apple user, and I think if you're Android, they do a different version for Android. But the amount of times I've lost my wallet normally falls out of my pocket and goes in between the car seat. But super thin, well worth having one of these if you're someone who loses your wallet a lot. And it's about the size of a credit card. I'm really pleased with this. Definitely check that out. 20% off everything on the Rolling Square website with my discount code.